Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup of this tablet. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen that you can see right over here. Additionally, if you're planning to use the pen, you do need to stick it to the back so it connects to it, otherwise it won't really work. And from there we can actually use it. So anyway, let's select our desired language. From there we can tap on Start. This will bring us to please agree to the following to start using your tablet. So you need to agree to the user experience programs and LENOVO privacy policy, along with the user agreement or license agreement. So just check these boxes. Obviously you can tap on the blue text and it will give you the entire legal document that you are agreeing to if you are if you want to read it. From there we can go to the next page, which allows us to connect to some kind of network. This step is completely optional, so you can skip it if you don't want to. Tapping right over here. And by skipping it, you won't be also able to log into your Google account, and additionally date and time will not be set automatically. Now going to the next page, we have some Google services. So we have things like use location, which allows the device to access your GPS tracking. So apps like Google Maps can give you an accurate route to your destination and know your position on the map. Then below that we have allow scanning, which allows the device to look for signals like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And then below that we have send user and diagnostic data, which allows Google to simply spy on you. Now from here we can set up some kind of screen lock protection to our device. We have several methods of going about it. So we have face recognition, fingerprint, and then PIN pattern or password, along with not setting up anything. Now when it comes down to the first two options, like the fingerprint and face recognition, if you want to use one of them or both of them, you will always also be required to set up PIN pattern or password. The reason for that is if something would happen to either your face or your finger or maybe the sensors, you still have some way to access the device through PIN pattern or password. So that's kind of why we need to set up a different method. And obviously if you don't want to protect your tablet, you can select not now, which is what I will be choosing. Anything else? So right here we can go to a couple additional things like navigation style, which allows you to change from gesture navigation to the buttons that we have visible right now. If you select to finish it, it sets up, I believe, gestures. Then I have some AI experience center and smart remote. No, not remote, geez. Smart rotate, which I'm not exactly sure how you're supposed to set it up if it's called smart. Apparently, I guess it's not that smart. Anyway, I'm just gonna finish up at this and disregard the rest of these options. So it gives me a quick guide on, I guess, what the pen can do, which I just dropped. Anyway, I'm just gonna swipe up, and as you can see, I am now on my home screen with the device fully set up. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.